Yeah, but I was like
I
moving.
thought it was so funny that that comment you left me about Linda's comment. It was like, and it was so accurate.
The mouth of Sauron, dude.
From Lord of the Rings.
Yeah.
The one with the nasty teeth
The
and
Narnar
really
teeth.
long.
Yeah.
Ew.
That's so Linda. Like everything about that guy.
Yeah.
Linda, our district manager.
Yeah.
The smell. Let us play.
There's a smell now? Stench of dish.
Yeah.
And she like gets in your space. It's just like all in your face. Oh, like.
Yeah. What do you think about? You're just like, all I can think about is your breath.
I think you should get that thing.
You know what you should do?
Like freaking
It's like
annoying.
one, like if she does that, just like have like a little pack of Tic Tacs. Just like, and it's just like, just out of nowhere.